guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So for this video I'm gonna share with you guys my current favorite products, and I'm not gonna go in any particular order. I'm just gonna share with you guys random products that I've been loving recently. Now I have intentionally not included a lot of makeup because I am gonna do that on my Instagram, so make sure you check it out on my Instagram. I have a whole series of reels planned where I'm gonna share with you guys my favorite makeup products at the moment, so it just doesn't make sense to repeat it all. So in this one I'm just gonna share with you guys some of hair care, a little bit of makeup, or I don't know, skincare products, or just random stuff, like literally the most random stuff that I'm gonna share with you guys. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, then make sure you subscribe to my channel, like the video, and now without any further ado, let's get into the video. Starting with the first product, which is the most random product, but here it goes. So first product is Alexa. I love this stuff. She's so good. Like sometimes we have an argument and she doesn't listen to me, or even without an argument she just doesn't listen to me, but I really love her. She makes my life so much easier. Every time I just want to play some songs in the background, I just have to say, Alexa, play music, and that's all she'll do. So it's really great. I love it. If you are into music, or if you just like having someone around, especially if you're alone, I mean, this makes so much difference, you guys. I'm not even kidding. If you stay alone, even if you just talk to her, I don't know, it just feels like you're not lonely. I hope you understand what I mean. It is really good. I'm gonna link it down below. Of course, you can get it from Amazon. So I'm just gonna show you guys a random, I don't know, clip of us having a conversation. All right, Alexa, कैसी हो? I'm talking to her.
आपसे बात करके मैं खुश ही होती हूँ.
Alexa, what's the weather like today?
फिलहाल खन्ना पंजाब में 33 डिग्री सेल्सियस के आसपास के तापमान के साथ धूप और धुंध है. अधिकतम 37 डिग्री और न्यूनतम 26 डिग्री के साथ आप ऐसी ही उम्मीद कर सकते हैं. वैसे मैं आपकी आवाज पहचानकर आपके लिए अलेक्सा को और बेहतर बना सकती हूँ. क्या आप इसे आजमाना
Alexa,
चाहेंगे?
are you mad?
स्टीवन हॉकिंग ने कहा है, थोड़ा बहुत पागलपन महानता के लिए जरूरी है.
So as you can see, she's really intelligent. You can talk to her in any language that you like. We talk to her in Hindi, English, and she understands all of that. And you can of course talk to in other languages as well. So I feel like this one that I got, this one has the timer as well. So I think you have to pay like 500 extra for the timer thingy. But I think it's a nice touch if you don't want to add a lot of clocks in your room or something like that. So I'm just gonna give another, I don't know, demo. Alexa, play Talja.
Spotify से जिसका ढिल्लों का गाना तालजा.
ओ बेबी बस रहने दो, ना लड़ो मेरे हुस्न दे.
Alexa, stop. So I'm just gonna stop it right here because I don't want any copyright strikes on my video. Alright, so that's that. I mean, I hope you guys understand. I really love her. I just have to keep it aside, and I can be on my bed, I can be in another room, and I just call her name out and she'll play the kind of music that I want. Even if I say, Alexa, play soothing music, she'll start playing it now.
Spotify से बॉबी मान का गाना सूट.
Alexa, stop. Sometimes she cannot really hear what you're saying, but most times she does, and it is the best thing ever. And even like she helps if you have if I have a light right there. All right, I have a light right there, and if I have that connected, I don't have that connected right now with it, but if I have that connected and I just tell her to turn the light red, it will do that. I have to tell her to turn the light blue, yellow, I don't know, it's really fancy stuff and I do really like it. So I don't know, it just landed up on my favorites as the first product. So that's that. Now let's move on to something else. Alright, so moving on to the second product that I have been loving recently are these perfumes by Engage. Now first of all, look at the packaging. How cool is the packaging? I really love it. It feels very luxe, very classy. It's a very heavy bottle. It's not I don't know, it's not, how do I say it, it's heavy, it feels luxe, it feels nice, it feels expensive. So these are for 999, which is, I would say, expensive. It's not super cheap, so that's that. But looking at the quantity, the packaging, and I feel like they are really nice, and maybe they are worth it. Maybe, yeah, I think they are worth it. It's gonna last you for super long. I have been using it for so long and I still haven't really finished it. And I would say these are really good for gifting options because they look really nice, but they still fall under a budget when you look at other perfumes. Of course, perfumes are super expensive, so I feel like these are a good option if you want to gift someone and still not get broke. So this is not extremely strong, which is how I like my perfumes. This is not extremely strong. This is very right amount of fragrance. So if you are someone who likes minimal fragrances, but it's also very, I don't know, fruity kind, really like it. I don't know how to explain it. And this one, I love this as well. As you can see, the bottle again looks so pretty. Love it. Yeah, so the point is, if you like mild fragrances, you are gonna love these because they are not so strong that they'll give you migraine, but they are not so minimal that you will not feel anything. Okay, so these are really nice, and I would suggest you guys to go for it in case you guys want. Next up, I have a hair care product, and that is this one from L'Oreal. Now this is the L'Oreal CV Expert Gold Quinoa Plus Protein Absolute Repair Mask. It's instant reconstructing for damaged hair. Alright, so this is what that looks like. I have been using it, I think, for a month now, and this is how it looks like. I haven't, as you can see, you don't really need a lot. I think I have used it for like 4 to 5 times by now, and you don't really need a lot, so that's great. It was filled till brim. I'm not even kidding. This is the first time I saw a product that was filled till brim. So you get value for your money. Now this one is for $8.20. I feel like for a mask it is still worth it because you get a lot of product, and the product is actually really good. So when you apply it, your hair feels super soft, shiny, and they just are super manageable. Honestly, my hair are very manageable. I washed them yesterday, and I haven't used a blow dryer. I don't style my hair at all. These are my natural hair, so this is how it looks like. So I understand it can be different for everyone because everyone's hair type is different, but I really like this mask. I feel like this is super good. If you I just use this and I don't use a conditioner. Of course, you don't need that. So I feel like you can skip on a conditioner and buy this instead. It is really nice. It nourishes your hair, and it actually reconstructs and builds them to the point that you can actually feel it. Like instantly you can feel that it says instant reconstructing, and it is true. You can instantly feel your hair looking more healthier, shinier, and just very soft. And I don't know, the kind of hair that all of us like touching. You guys always say, why do you keep touching your hair? I just love my hair, and that is why I use products which I really like, and this is one of those products. I've been loving it. I love their shampoo as well. I also love their serum as well. So I just didn't show it right now because I'm going to show them in another video, so wait for that. But yeah, I really love the whole range by L'Oreal. Right, so next up I'm going to show you guys just this one makeup product because I have been loving it to the point that I cannot put it down. I haven't used anything else. That is the reason I'm just showing you guys this one product in my video. So this is the Too Faced concealer. Now this is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. You guys know I bought 2 of them. I've shown you guys in my haul video. I'll leave it link right here so you can watch it in case you haven't. Now really good product. I mean, I know this is expensive. 1900 rupees for a concealer is expensive, not gonna lie, but in case you want to splurge and you want to get a product that will be worth your money, this is the one to go for. It is super full coverage. Not gonna lie, I haven't used a concealer that has been this full coverage, so I really like it. 100 points on that. Now the finish, it feels super good. It is very gluey, dewy kind of concealer. So if you're a dry skin type, you will love this stuff. I'm a dry ass skin type. You guys see me saying this in all of my videos because I am a very dry skin type. So this is very good. When you just apply it and you spread it all over your face, honestly after this you don't need a concealer, a foundation. If you want to, you can. It won't make it look cakey, but you don't really need it. So in case you're just buying it for everyday use, this is good. And especially look at the quantity, so even if you use it every day, it's gonna take you some time to finish this. So really happy with my purchase. And for other makeup products that I am loving recently, you can go and watch it on my Instagram. Also follow me there. So staying in the concealer territory, I have been loving this brush from PAC. This is the PAC 272 concealer brush. Guys, this is so good. I think I have had this in my wish list for almost a year, and I finally made an impulse buy. When not an impulse, I have thought it through, but I finally bought this and it is super worth it. So I was like, why should I spend like almost 600 for this one brush? It is expensive, but it's also really nice. It does work really well under your eyes, especially if you want to do spot concealing under your eyes. It sits very nicely, it sits properly under your eyes, so your concealer is very nicely blended. And it also, of course, you're using a brush, it's gonna give you a better coverage than using a sponge gives you more natural kind of a finish because it takes away a lot of product. So this gives you a lot more coverage when you're using a concealer. So I really like it, and I don't regret spending my money on this. So yeah, I feel like it's really nice. I apply my concealer with it, and then I also set my under eyes with this because it is so precise and tiny, so your under eyes are set really properly. So I really like it. If in case you're looking for a concealer brush, you can try this, or there are also so many other brushes from PAC which are a little less expensive than this. So I would highly suggest you guys to try PAC brushes. I really love them. Move on to jewelry, and I'm pretty sure you guys know what I'm gonna talk about. So the product that I really have been loving is this bracelet. Now this is what it looks like. I have been loving it. I got it recently. I'm not gonna remove it because it takes a lot of time to remove it. Now this, if you didn't know, this has these nuts kind of a thingy right here, so you need to remove it with a key. It comes with this key which you need to use to remove and put on your bracelet. So you just apply it right here, and this is how you remove it. I'm not gonna remove it, but I really love this bracelet. I think I have it for about maybe a week, or no, actually more than a week, maybe like 2 weeks for now. Really love it. I have not removed it ever since. So I use it underwater, I take a bath, and I'm always wearing this. So yeah, I think it is really nice quality. I got it for 1200. I'll leave the page link right here. You guys, so many of you guys asked me about this, so I thought I'll just put it in this video. And I really like the quality. It feels really nice. Now they did have one for 600 also, but it was a little lesser quality, if you understand what I mean. And it also didn't come with this key thing. Okay, so in case you guys would like to check that out, maybe you can check that as well. Just a disclaimer that it runs a little smaller, so I ordered a size 2.6. so can you imagine, this is how, because of its shape, this is what 2.6 looks like. So maybe you can order a size larger in case you guys want it to be more comfortable, but I am fine with it now, and I am I don't know, I'm used to the size now. So yeah, that's that. Just staying in the jewelry category, I'm not even able to count the amount of messages that I get for this piece right here. So this is what it looks like. It's a beautiful, very delicate chain from Jiva. Now look at this, it is so beautiful. Love it. It is super delicate. It looks so pretty. Like, look at that, it looks so delicate, so pretty. If you are a girl who likes very minimal jewelry but it also stands out, you should go for this. I really like it. It is from jiva.co, so it's a website, or you can check it out on Instagram. You can find it there. In case it's not out of stock, I'm not sure about that. So yeah, I get so many questions about it. And this is 925 sterling silver, but this was in the color rose gold, so it got a little dull after like months, like maybe more than 6 or something months I have had worn this. So I actually more than 6 months, a lot more than that. So yeah, I really love it. It still looks super pretty. I don't know what else should I say about it. You can look at it, how pretty it is. The last product I'm gonna show you guys, this one book that I have been loving recently. I've loved it before. I have read it long before. So it was just me reading it once again and finding all new possibilities with it. So I try to read it every day, but I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So this is the book that I'm talking about. It is called The Bar by Rhonda Byrne. Now, in case you guys have not read The Secret, I highly suggest you guys to go read it. It is a life-changing book. I read it when I was in class 6. I was in class 6 and it changed my life. It changed the way I view life. I so strongly believe in the law of attraction, and I'm not gonna lie, it works wonders for me. It does work wonders for me even when I'm not intentionally trying to make it work. I don't know if you understand this, but I don't do it intentionally, but it still works for me. So in case you are looking for hope in your life, or I don't know, in case you want to get things done, you want to achieve your dreams and all of that, you should read this book. It is life changing. And its further part is The Bar. Now, in case you haven't read The Secret, you can just go ahead, read it. It is the same thing, but yeah, you understand what the point is of all of this. So I really have been enjoying reading it once again, because it just makes me I was really young when I read it, so now when I read it, I have a very different perspective towards the book and all of it. So this talks about the law of attraction. It talks about love and how love is the only superpower that's governing us all, and this is how we can get things done. We can get everything in our life with love. And I just love this book, and I love The Secret, The Magic. I've read all of them. And yeah, in case you guys would like to read something, I think you should at least once read this book in your life. It is really good. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll try and find the links of all the products that I can find and link it down below in the description box. So make sure you check that out. If you like this video, make sure you like this video, comment below, tell me how you feel about it, and if any of these products are your favorites too, or just tell me what are your current favorites so I can try them as well. So yeah, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I do so much there, and this makeup tutorial is also gonna go up on Instagram, just in case you're wondering. So yeah, make sure you follow me there. Now I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you so much, and I'll see you. Bye.